Hello, this is a demo clip demonstrating the use of the DBX noise reduction and dynamic range expansion system that is used on tape decks. I've got a tape deck here. It's my Teac X2000-R, which has built-in DBX. What does DBX, you ask? Well, DBX is it compresses the signal on the tape and expands it as you play back, and the advantage of that is that you get a superior dynamic range, which is not available on the tape itself. But with the compression and expansion, it gives you a high dynamic range comparable to a CD, and that was before the CD was ever on the market. But the other advantage is that you push the noise floor really down, so the tape hiss is almost completely gone. Anyway, it's far below the audible part of the hearing. Okay, I'm gonna show you this by giving you two demonstrations here. The first is I'm going to show you the plain tape hiss with or without DBX, and you will definitely hear a difference. And the second demonstration is that I'm going to play a piece of music on a very low intensity and a very low level, so that you can clearly hear that it's working very well, and that you can also hear that you won't miss any high frequencies like some people think. For instance, with the Dolby noise reduction system, that sometimes happens, but on well calibrated systems like this is, you won't hear any difference between the source and the sound that's coming from the tape. I can show you that by switching from the source setting, which gives you the direct sound of the input, and the tape setting, which gives you sound that's coming from the tape as I record it. So let's start with the first demonstration. Oh, and I forgot, I'm using the tape I'm using is BASF tape. It's SM911 tape. Don't know if you can see it. It's good audio tape, and the system is calibrated for that tape. I have freshly degaussed the tape, so there should be absolutely no tape hiss resident on the tape, except for that it's naturally on the tape. First I'm going to give you the I'm going to switch the video now to the sound that's coming from the tape deck, and I'm first going to show you that the input signal, I'm now switching to input, that you hear absolutely no hiss at all. I'm now switching to playback, and you will hear tape hiss. Now the tape hiss is coming from the tape itself, because if I close the line input, it's still there. It's just natural hiss that's present in every tape. I can demonstrate that it is the tape that you're hearing the hiss from, and not the audio components of the deck, by just holding the tape a bit. So listen very carefully on your headphones. Second demonstration that I'm going to do is I'm switching back to input signal. I'm going to play a piece of music, on a very soft level, and you will hear it first with the tape hiss, and then I'm going to switch on DBX during the recording, and you will hear that the tape hiss will be completely gone, and when the piece of music progresses, you will hear the high frequencies coming, and I'm going to switch a few times from source to tape, and you can hear that there are no high frequencies missing in the signal after the DBX has processed it at all. So I hope that this demo was educational and that I was able to bring the message across, that you're able to notice the difference even in this YouTube video. Thank you for watching.